Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar monthly, as you can see, we got a nice strong uptrend, which I think is going to continue to trend up. I think it's eventually going to go up and take out these highs, probably going to either be a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that this first move up right here is a wave 1. I think this is very clearly a wave 2, and I think this is all part of a wave 3, which eventually is going to go up and make that wave 3, 4, and 5 to complete that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see what I think is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a 1. I think this is a very clear correction, most likely a 2. And I think it's also very clear that we are in a wave 3. I don't see any Fibonacci bounce. I do not see any reason to think this uptrend is over. So I, for sure, am still going to be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks on shorter time frames for what I think is a wave 3 on the longer time frames. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, ever since we ended this big correction back here, we've been making higher highs, higher lows. Like I said, there's no Fibonacci bounce, there's no break of structure, there's no reason to think this trend is over. It does seem logically like it would be ready for a pullback, which hopefully it does make a pullback. I definitely don't know that it's going to. It very easily could just keep on drifting up. I just think that it is due for a pullback, and if it does make a pullback, that's really good for us because that will give us opportunities to go long again on the shorter time frames for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame looks like it's going up again. It went right down and retested the 100%. It broke out, made 1, 2, 3 waves down to the 100%, and now it looks like it's going back up. The EU is very, very strong, probably one of the strongest pairs of the bunch right now. I don't think I would even be trying to go short, even if it did make a move to the downside. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short, but instead, if I do see 3 waves down, if I do see an impulsive move up, then I will definitely be ready to go long again for the continuation of what I believe to be a big wave 3 on the much, much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.